Welcome back, and it's all about beautiful Katwasal sarees below 20,000 with medium-sized kanchi borders, traditional borders, gap borders, all a mix. Don't miss out on this video. So the one I'm wearing is a lovely combination of coffee brown with red combination. It's a beautiful kanchi border with small size and beautiful buttas throughout the saree. And the combination is really very pretty. And this is a beautiful rich kanjivaram pallu, very rich and grand. And the blouse will be in a contrast red blouse with the same border. So this is super stylish, very traditional, very effortless and lightweight. You would love to carry such sarees for the Shravanamasan. And coming to the jewelry, it's a lovely it's a lovely neck piece, and it's a jalebi neck piece with pole keys and emeralds coming together beautifully. And this is from Om Prakash Jewels. Chalo, let's begin. So what I'm wearing is priced at 19,600. All the sarees are of same range in today's video. So this is the first saree. Look at this particular saree, the color, the combination. Such a beautiful saree. It's a beautiful orange with a light pink on the borders. Super refreshing, very new combination. Lovely traditional and contemporary together. Completely, it has checks and zari buttas in gold and silver zari alternate, and equal length of borders on both sides of the saree in contrast baby pink. Pallu and blouse in baby pink. That's a rich, beautiful pallu. And the blouse is also very different and chala elegant ochindi blouse with border and zari buttas throughout the blouse body. You can absolutely go with the same blouse. There you go. This is number 1, 19,600. And next up we have a lovely cotton checks saree with a kanjivaram border in Gadwal. There you go. Such a vibrant color combination. Comes with yellowish green with a lovely purple border. Smaller border on the top, cotton checks, and you get to see this golden peacock rudraksh buttas all through the sari body along with the cotton checks. And that's the bottom border in contrast purple with a peacock selvage. Rich pallu and blouse. Such a grand pallu. You can see how beautiful the pallu has, the design, the meenakari and everything. And coming to the blouse, you have the beautiful blouse with meenakari buttas, zari buttas and the border. Combination is really very pretty. Number 2. And in the same exact saree, we have yet another color, which is yellowish orange with a deep wineish purple. And that's blue selvage. Right. So there you go. This is another cotton checks in lovely orangish yellow cotton checks, gold and silver zari buttas in rudraksh and peacock. And that beautiful medium-sized kanchi border in contrast wineish purple. Pallu and blouse super rich and grand, just like the other saree. Look at that pallu. Blouse is super elegant with buttas and border. This is number 3, 19,600. And here comes a super subtle, very calming, super stylish, contemporary color combination in traditional Gadwal. Look at that color. It's a lovely steel grey with a light baby pink border with silver zari. Super stylish saree it is, guys. Completely zari checks along with golden zari buttas throughout the saree body. And look at that borders. Lovely combination, silver zari. A beautiful piece altogether. Comes with beautiful rich pallu and blouse. And look at that pallu. Such a stunning pallu. And the blouse got buttas, border and horizontal silver zari stripes. That's the whole look. Number 4. 19,600. In the same concept, we have one more color. Look at this color. Yet another contemporary, very cool, subtle combination yet again. The body is in light sea green and the border is in lavender. Look at that color, guys. Such a statement, stunning color combinations. Zari checks throughout the body with buttas in gold and silver zari. A beautiful lavender border with traditional stripes concept. Very rich, elegant pallu and blouse. Blouse got buttas, border, and that's a rich pallu. Very elegant swan saree. This is number 5. In a similar traditional stripes border, look at this color. This is another shade of orange with a coffee brown. Look at this saree. Oh, it is very price saree actually. Only 19,600 and somehow they mix chesesaro. This is 25,600 saree. If you notice, the saree, it's a beautiful korvai kuttu border, traditional border, bottle green selvage, and on top of the border you have this mango motifs, gold zari, silver zari with meenakari highlights. And as you see the color, it's a stunning color combination, orange with burgundy or a deep coffee brown. Throughout the saree, you have got checks and buttas, and it also comes with a stunning pallu and a beautiful rich blouse. So coming to the blouse, border, stripes and the buttas, just stunning and perfect for the Shamwas. And there you go. This is number 6 and this is priced at 24,500. Our okka saree mein mix ayipoyi ee range lo. And this is another one beautiful elegant saree. It's a lovely cream color saree with an orange border. Such a stunning, very elegant saree. Beautiful orange, small Kanjivaram style border. Smaller one on the top, medium on the bottom. Gold and silver zari buttas alternate throughout the saree. Pallu and blouse in contrast orange. It's a beautiful rich Kanjivaram pallu and plain blouse. This is number 7. And here comes another cotton checks and stunning color. Look at this color. It's a creamish blue andi. Blue kuda light greyish blue laga undi with a nice baby pink color. See the saree, how subtle, classy the saree looks. It's really very beautiful. Border with a light pista green selvage. The cotton checks, the combination is really very pretty. Rich pallu and blouse. Check this out. Stunning pallu and the blouse is very elegant with buttas and the border. That's the look. This is number 8. Yet in another cotton checks. This is back in stock. In the same saree we've been sold a couple of sarees earlier, and this is back in stock. One of my favorite saree personally. Check this out. Cotton checks with black and white cotton checks. A stunning pink border. Mustard orangish kora. The border is super elegant and traditional, just like a Kanchi border. And look at those buttas on the saree body. Silver zari, gold zari buttas with pink resham in between the florals. A very smart saree altogether. This is the pallu and blouse. See this pallu and blouse. It is stunning. It is a very beautiful saree. This is how it looks like. Idi kuda price koncham ekku undandi. This is just 1,000 more than the other sarees. 20,600. That's it. And next up we have a light pista green saree with a deep dark bottle green. Inta dark bottle green chala rare ga chustam ma'am, and even the combination is very beautiful and very rare. So coming to this saree, look at this beautiful color combination, light pista green and a very deep dark bottle green. It is not black for sure. You can come closely and have a look. There's a deep dark bottle green, medium size Kanchi border, zari checks and zari motifs throughout the saree. Pallu and blouse shaded. Rich pallu and plain blouse. You can see the threads here, a deep dark bottle green threads. A very different combination. Don't miss this. This is number 10. One last piece. Lovely methi yellow with a red border. Such a traditional color. See this saree. Not the regular yellow at all. Koncham methi yellow style lo, vertical stripes and motifs and that red border. Medium size Kanchi border, smaller on the top. Beautiful color combination. Rich pallu and blouse, plain blouse and a rich pallu. This is the last piece, number 11, 19,600. And what I'm wearing will be number 12, which is also priced at 19,600. Anni sarees 19,600 andi, okka 2 sarees tappa. Do check this video and reach us on 8341382382. No returns in exchange unless the saree is damaged. Thank you so much.